Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a rough day on this one after a very nice bounce on Tuesday. The price pulled back quite a bit. Now, it wasn't a train wreck. It wasn't a disaster or anything like that, but it was still rough because there was a lot of nice, solid upwards momentum after Tuesday, and then as of now, seems as though quite a bit of that has disappeared. But again, just because it was rough doesn't mean everything's destroyed. It just could have been, a much better day. And to really illustrate this is the fact that the price is now actually broken down below that green line. Now, the good news is it's not like the price is significantly far down below it. It's still within striking distance, but still, that level of support was violated and broken and closed below, which brings about the first key update based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. And that's actually exactly what played out here today with the $75 mark. So the price broke down below it, and then you can see can never quite build or maintain any sort of momentum. Sure, the price did get up above 75 on a couple different occasions, but again, when it came to actually staying up above it, that's where the price could just never quite do that. So moral of the story here is that if this price is going to try to turn itself around, that first key, question mark is can the price get up above, but then most importantly, actually stay above that $75 mark. If it can, then the next key overarching level of resistance would be that purple line up there, the 50-period moving average. But, one hurdle at a time, and let's first just see if the price can even get above the $75 mark. As far as next potential areas of support are concerned, first level, just simply, a question of where did the bleeding finally stop today? And that was down there at 74.15. And then 74.15 is pretty important because after that level, the next key overarching level, essentially not until all the way down there at 72.75. But overall, rough day today. However, still a couple days left this week, so let's see if the price can try to start to get things turned around. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.